how to fix you can't interact with certain accounts right now. So if you want to fix you can't interact with certain accounts right now, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. There are a few reasons why you might have been facing this problem. Number one, you might have blocked the user and forgotten about it. If you have blocked the user, you cannot contact them or see their information unless you unblock them. Next, the second party might have blocked you. If that is the case, you cannot view that profile or interact with them in any way unless they unblock you. Sometimes the problem occurs even when you are having or even when you have knowingly or unknowingly violated some Instagram guidelines. So if that is the case, then simply go with your profile, go with Instagram support and tell them your problem, and the rest is on Instagram support center. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.